After 8 cookies or mint cookies, very delicious. You will love it. Only 30 gram of mint leaf and you will make the most amazing cookies you ever do. 30 gram of mint leaf, washed and cleaned. 100 gram sugar, half cup. 1 egg. Half cup of oil or 100 gram. I use gram, not milli, in all my recipe. 1 spoon baking soda, almost 7 gram. We blend it very speed high, at least 2-3 minutes. You can stop in the middle. You can with the spatula scratch the side of the blender. Minimum 2-3 minutes to be very smooth. When it's smooth, you take all the liquid into nice bowl. Make sure you take all the quantity and then you mix it with 1 cup of flour, 140 gram. That's it. You don't need to add anything. If you want to make it more taste, you can use 100 gram butter. But even with oil is so delicious and the sugar is really balanced. Mix it nice and then use piping bag, or you can roll it with your spoon. It's up to you. I prefer piping bag. It make it nice and so easy. Just pipe all equal size. You can make it bigger cookies, smaller cookies, is up to you. In same times, I preheat the oven 170 degree at least 10 minutes before I bake the cookies. Here you can mark with 1 fork hot water. It's up to you, or you can keep it plain. You can choose. You can add it sesame, black seeds. You can even roast it or pieces of nuts. Then when you bake it, takes 15 to 17 minutes, 170 centigrade. Thank you.